Findability is often the first objective which people implement in NAN system. Huge associated with finding cost of lost opportunity because of not finding the right clip. हाँ, कभी-कभी you are in a meeting, you want to the right clip, presentation करना है, वो clip नहीं मिल रहा है. You are losing time, you are losing management time, you are losing time. You are making a movie of, you are spending 4 crores, 8 crores in a movie, और वो clip ही नहीं मिला है डायरेक्टर को, और बोलता है पूरा स्टूडियो बुक किया है. क्या करेगा डायरेक्टर? वो फिर हैरान हो जाएगा ना. वो एडिटर को बोलेगा क्या यार मैंने स्टूडियो बुक कराया तो इतना काम नहीं आता है, तो सर मुझे देखना पड़ेगा इधर उधर हो मेरा पूरा हाथ है. ऐसा नहीं चलता है. You get that search, you get a file of Shah Rukh Khan, scene number 4, scene number 10, happening in casino in Mauritius. That file is to come. So then that edit will be done. You book that editing studio for 20,000, 31 lakh rupees on day. उसमें टाइम वेस्ट करेगा तो अपने इंडस्ट्री की बात करेंगे, दूसरे का छोड़ो. अपनी इंडस्ट्री है, when we are working, so we got to get organized. Yeah? If you guys don't think organized, then you are losing your time, your professor's time, everybody's time. It's impossible for anybody to work this time. It's value time is your time is valuable, my time is valuable, editor's time is, director's time is valuable, actor's time is valuable. Because everybody costs money. So findability is what digital asset will do. So if you make an asset this thing organized, it's easy to find. Optimization of the centralized store for digital assets. So अभी जो assets है ये इधर का सब, you put in a central server, yeah, and you have agreements, demographic. You put in an open text server. You different kind of people can use it. You give rights to different people. That okay, this server, production people will use it. This server, editing people will use it. So that accordingly you will do it. No, so your workflow will be there, and the centralized workflow will bring the assets together. So asset management is again necessary. Selling more effectively, again I am calling the assets design, capture, store, collaborate with people, share public purposes, preserve and archive. So what you are doing is you are designing, capturing it, putting it together, storing it for different conversion between you all also. You all want to make a film, ये आएगा वो आएगा मिले के बनाने का है, and distribute it for in different, whether you want to put it on YouTube, whether you want to put it on mobile, you distribute it and preserve it later. So this is your entire cycle of digital asset management. Selling more effectively and selling your content for different resources. As I told you now, there is you got different rights on content. Your television rights are there, the terrestrial rights are there. Terrestrial cinema में 300 पिक्चर में मेरा पिक्चर जाने का है, 300 screens are bought. That is a terrestrial rights. Yeah? Your television rights is another. You are selling a couple of crores. Yeah? You will get a money for television rights. And उसके ऊपर you got your online platform. So पैसा उधर से भी आएगा, digital पे भी पैसा आएगा तुमको. You are getting digital might be a couple of coins. You can have television get it. So कहाँ से कहीं से तो your resources you are selling effectively has become much more now. So digital content, asset properly, content reserved properly, selling more properly. Advantage. That's all this television right. Cricket का चल रहा है, कबड्डी का चल रहा है. Crores of rupees. Because these are viewable on different platforms now. All these channels now. Why are people buying it? All the sports companies, everybody is entering into it. It's money, man. What are the careers in this industry? You can be a digital film archivist in an archiving center. You can become asset manager in a corporate organization. You can preserve and protect. You can manage the video content in the studio. Studio में television set में सब video content है, उसका manager है बंदा. Audiovisual information governance. Manage a film and video archive. Besides the vast archive that it is important for corporate managers, it is also important, not you guys, but I am also teaching the heads of corporate. I conduct putting this program only for heads of channels, because वो लोग क्या है, they become senior. Look, I've been in this business all my life, so I know. But a lot of people are scared to go and talk it out because they want to show the children that they are learning something. So you have to conduct a short-term course only for corporates. Yeah, and they will They are ignorant, some of them. They don't know anything. Even they don't know because they have never used that. They are all analog guys. But now they are that position they have reached. They are not able to do so. So you have to teach them. So this is the market. You know, corporate management. So content example. Ancient years, content management example. Ancient years, the literature libraries and archives before. Then 19th century, continuous movies. Movie making came into. Continuous movie. It's not still images. It's continuous movies, linear movies. Media, movies, audio. And after 1980, when you guys got born, then the digital world came. Lucky hai. So, content management, there is information, creation of the content, representation and exchanging of the content. Information media is collection. There is difference between content and information media. ये data है, ये information media है, audio, video, or images. Collection, organizing and storage. These are different storage. Content process transfer, so key and non-linear creation, store and transfer it. मीडिया इंडस्ट्री अभी क्या है, फ्यूजन बिटवीन, पहले अभी प्रिंट तो जा रहा है, but print is also becoming digital. Nowadays nobody reads newspaper, but still you want to news, so you read it in digital format. You know, you get a newspapers in digital format. So it is fusion between traditional media, newspapers, broadcasting, and modern companies. Modern is Google, Apple, Facebook, Instagram. So there's a combination of both these things, which is happening now. That is the media industry. Yeah? And non-media industry is like big companies. As I told you, there is a market for this. This is a big market. Don't forget this. Non-media industry, education units, research units, engineering companies, everybody wants content. Automobile companies, then they're doing all the processes of the creation of automobile, you know. They want streamlining, everything is on. People call me and ask me to do an automated engineering. कार का डिजाइन कैसे बनाना है, how to do. You have to make corporate films of that. So what is digital asset management? Tool for organizing, storing, retrieving. We are coming back to the same thing. Video, images, movie, and 3D content also in digital format. So you are storing and retrieval of sound, images, movies, sound, which is most, and 3D content. Yeah? And now it is downloading, and then virtual reality creative by 3D content they use more for them. Virtual reality is again the new thing. Downloading, renaming, backing up, rating, grouping, archiving, optimizing. So, look, why we need that? Average certain person look for a media files 83 times per week. Fails to find it 35 times a week. Damn reduces the failure to 5%. So look at the this thing. So cost saving factor is how much? It's only 5% redundancy is there. From where we have gone from 35% to 5%. What can Dan do for you? Catalog large number of formats, create a visual category, add keywords, data field. All fields can be served. Select image for an electronic gallery. Share it over the internet. We've gone through all these processes. Yeah? Share, catalog it, create a visual category, thumbnails. अभी वो जब भी तुम एडिट करता है तो भी एडिट उधर थंबनेल्स होते हैं मालूम है? हाँ, तो वो थंबनेल्स है ना, वो कैटेगरी करके थंबनेल तुम एडिट लाइन पे डाल रहे हैं एफसीपी पे और your प्रीमियर पे. Rules of sound systemized, don't rely on your memory. Be comprehensive, build for them. Don't do it once, but don't overdo it. मैं दूंगा आपको presentation. DAM passed digital asset management initially established niche market only. So it was only done for particular markets, yeah, niche market, publishing, media, and broadcast media asset management. So these were the industries. Like before it was the public. Like when I started with Steve Jobs in Apple, I used to work for. I used to only cater to ad companies. I used to work with Lintas and Levers and this thing. So I was marketing only to these companies. You know, I was the Middle East vice president in this Apple. There I used to work only with the publishing and media industry. Newspapers, Khalij Times, Gulf News, वो सब newspapers को ले जाके systems लगाए. You know, that was my. And broadcast, but now it has become broadcasting media asset management. The broadcast industry is also. So these were. Now digital film going mainstream. Integration, now it is, before it was all publishing. Now it is going integration, enterprise content, document strategy, financial summary. I told you, pharmacy, consumer package, everybody is using digital assessment. Before it was the media and publishing industry. Now everybody wants digital assessment. Because they have got video and all your assets. So they need to manage it. They need to create it. So they need cinema directors like you who are experts in that. And they want to store it. Or editors good when they want it. So this is where we are all getting involved. The world, the industry, there is the film schools. People are thinking it's only for, but itna shortage hai मालूम है media industry में, because they are not educated people. Mainstream is also requiring it, you know. So the opportunities are big. So कोई बोलता है मेरा बेटा film industry में जाके क्या करेगा? क्यों डिग्री ले? अरे उनको बता बॉस. If you want anywhere else, I can go. I can work. You know. Assets are there. My education is not a waste. I'll make films. At the same time, I can also do this.